Hello everyone, hope everyone doing great. In this video we will see about the Terraform series. In this video we will be using two Terraform files. One is main Terraform file where we will be adding the resources like AWS security group and then EC2 instance, and we will be adding the user data script as well for creating the web server. In another Terraform file we will be adding the provider details. In this example we are going to use AWS. Now you see step by step. First we will be initializing the resources which you are going to create using Terraform init command. And then the second step is we need to plan the resources which are going to deploy, which we will be using the Terraform plan command, where we will be giving all the details about the instance type and other resource details. And the third command is Terraform apply, where we will be actually creating the resources. In this case we will be using EC2 instance and the security group. Once we created the instance, we will go to the provider, AWS provider, and see whether the resource been created or not. First we will go to the EC2 instance and see the Terraform EC2 web server is been running. Okay, with the instance type as a 33 micro, and then we'll go to the security group and see security group being created and which is managed by Terraform. After that we'll be seeing the web server which is runs inside the EC2 instances, where we'll be seeing by using the public IP address. Okay, once you created the resources, we can delete the resources using a Terraform destroy command. Yeah, we'll see in the next video on the ongoing Terraform whatever we are building. Yeah, keep building. Yeah, thanks for watching.